Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your HP printer acting up, freezing, not responding, or just refusing to do what you want? Trust me, you're not alone. HP printers can get stuck for all sorts of reasons, whether it's a software glitch, a network issue, or just too many settings piled up. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest step-by-step methods to reset your HP printer. So let's get started. Method 1. Use the control panel. First, make sure your printer is on. Then, remove the paper from its input tray. Then, press the cancel and Wi-Fi buttons together for about 5 seconds. After that, you will see the light next to the Wi-Fi button will start blinking and reset will be complete. Method 2. By performing the power reset. While printer is on, remove the power cable from the printer. Also, remove the cable from the power outlet. Now, you should leave the printer resting for about 60 seconds. After that, reconnect the power cable to the electric socket and printer port. Turn on your printer and reset will be complete.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.